right, it's just a little tiny perch, but I wanted to show you guys how I clean smaller perch. Okay, this is the dorsal fin. See the head? See, I'm holding it. I flipped it upside down. I'm going to cut off that anal fin down by the anus. I feel bone, and then I just kind of pop it out. That pops out that bone with it, and I'm going to cut off the dorsal fin very carefully. I keep my fingers out of the way. I'm just going just below the dorsal fin. Now I got a place to put my knife in here, right between the skin and the flesh. So I'm going to do that. I'm just back a little ways from the head. This is an awesome, awesome way to clean up a whole bunch of perch. Now I'm going to punch it through the spine. Punch it through the spine. Not too hard, or I cut this side of the skin, and I don't want to do that. I don't want to cut it through. I just want to break through the spine and not cut the skin. Now I flip my knife over. Right between the flesh and the skin, I'm cutting back a little ways. Now I got a place to put my thumb in there. So I put my thumb in, grab the meat of my thumb and forefinger, and I pull. See, I got all the meat. I got the ribs yet, but the head and the guts are over here. That is an awesome way to clean a bunch of little perch, smaller perch. I'd say 8 inches and smaller types. If they're 8 inches and bigger, I like to fillet them. But you can clean a bunch of perch in a big, big hurry. Man, and I would sometimes take an old hatchet, whack off the tails. I don't do that anymore. I just leave the tails on. We fry them up. We don't eat them. You can. They taste like bacon a little bit. But we just leave the tails there. And then when I eat it, I start at the tail and peel back the cooked meat. And then I peel it right around the ribs. So, is that ever good eating?